let us discuss a mathematical problem. So what is the problem? So that for a first order reaction, the time required for 99.9% completion is what? 10 times of the half-life period. That is what you have to show 99.9%. That is the what? Time for 99.9% completion is equal to what? 10 times of half-life period. So we have to prove it. For what? First order. ठीक है. So now इसके लिए हमको क्या चाहिए? We have to what? Use the integrated rate equation for first order. So what is the integrated rate equation for first order? T is equal to what? 2.303 divided by k log of r naught divided by what? R. ठीक है? This is the what? Integrated rate equation for first order. Now when the reaction completes 99.9%, then R का वैल्यू क्या होगा? When the reaction completes 99.9%, then what will be the value of R? So in the last class we have discussed a formula. What is the formula? Concentration of R is equal to what? R naught minus x by 100 R naught. X means what? Percentage of completion, means what? 99.9 divided by 100 R naught. ठीक है? Is equal to what? 100 R naught minus 99.9 R naught divided by what? 100 is equal to 0.001 R naught. ठीक है? इसमें हो जाएगा 0.1 divided by 100 means what? 0.001 R naught. So now put this value of R in this equation. So then क्या मिलेगा? So अभी हमको क्या मिलेगा? T is equal to what? 2.303 divided by k log of R naught divided by R. R means what? 0.001 R naught. R naught and R naught is cancel out. This means what? 1 by 1000. 1000 अभी ऊपर चला गया. Means what? क्या मिलेगा? 2.303 divided by k log of 1000. ये क्या हो गया? 399.9. ठीक है? That is अभी हमको क्या मिलेगा? T99.9 is equal to what? 2.303 divided by k log of 10 cube. So ये पावर है. पावर भी क्या होगा? आगे आ जाएगा. Means what? 3 into 2.303 divided by k log of 10. So what is the value of log of 10? Log of 10 is equal to what? 1. So क्या मिलेगा? So 6.909 divided by k. So T99.9 is equal to what? 6.909 divided by k. अभी देखो क्वेश्चन में क्या था? The time required for what? 99.9% completion of a chemical reaction is 10 times of the what? Half-life period. So what is the half-life period for first order reaction? क्या था? 0.693 divided by k. ये हमको मालूम है. ठीक है? That is, if we divide this equation by this one, then क्या मिलेगा? T99.9 divided by what? T half is equal to 6.909 divided by k. डिवाइड था. So अभी क्या हो जाएगा? 0.693. K and K is what? Cancel out. ठीक है? So finally क्या मिलेगा? T99.9 divided by what? T half is equal to, वो डिवाइड करने से क्या मिलेगा? Almost 9.9. That is almost equal to what? 10. ठीक है? That is T99.9 is equal to what 10 into t half, जो हमको दिखाना था. So this is the what the time required for what 99.9% completion is 10 times of the what half life period. So ऐसे मैथमेटिकल प्रॉब्लम आ सकता है. ठीक है. So now इसके बाद क्या आएगा pseudo first order reaction. Pseudo means what false. So false first order reaction or what pseudo first order reaction means what they seems to be first order but they are not actually first order. So क्या होगा they seems to be first order but actually they have different orders. That is why it is known as what pseudo or false. ठीक है. So now let us consider hydrolysis of ethyl acetate. ठीक है. So ethyl acetate means what CH3 CH2 COO CH3. So this is what ethyl acetate. उसका क्या हुआ है हाइड्रोलाइसिस हुआ है H2O. So हाइड्रोलाइसिस होने से क्या मिलेगा So what will get So इसमें क्या होगा also you can write COO. So कार्बन का चार्ज क्या होगा पॉजिटिव होगा ऑक्सीजन का चार्ज क्या होगा नेगेटिव. हाइड्रोलाइसिस मींस व्हाट H पॉजिटिव OH नेगेटिव. So पॉजिटिव के लिए क्या आएगा नेगेटिव आएगा. That is what प्रोडक्ट क्या मिलेगा CH3 CH2 COOH. This is the first product. ठीक है. प्लस this is the negative part. Negative part में भी क्या आएगा पॉजिटिव. So what is the second product CH3OH. So hydrolysis of ethyl acetate that is the ester gives what carboxylic acid with alcohol. अब देखो इसमें क्या होगा. So what is the rate of a reaction? Rate is equal to what rate constant into what concentration of a reactant. Reactant means what ethyl acetate. So क्या होगा CH3 CH2 COO CH3. साथ में क्या है concentration of water. So इसमें देखो कितना रिएक्टेंट है 2 है means what this is the 1 this is the 1. So order क्या होगा 1 plus 1 2. That is the reaction is what second order. ठीक है. But in general क्या होता है when concentration of water is excess means ज़रा होगा then क्या होगा concentration of water becomes what constant. ठीक है. So इसमें K is the constant again water constant means what that is K into concentration of water is what constant. That is you can write K this. ठीक है. So finally what you can write अभी हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं रेट इज इक्वल टू व्हाट K बेस into what concentration of ethyl acetate. So in the first one order क्या था second order और अभी क्या हो गया first order. That is why it is known as pseudo first order. That is why it is known as what? Pseudo first order. Means what? They are not actually first order, but generally behave as a what? First order. Okay? So what is the example of pseudo first order reaction? Exam में आ सकता है. Write an example of what? Pseudo first order reaction. क्या होगा? Hydrolysis of ethyl acetate. ठीक है? So hydrolysis of ethyl acetate is the example of what? Pseudo first order reaction. अभी देखो example of zero order reaction. So there is an example. What is the example? Decomposition of ammonia. In presence of platinum. This is the example of what? Zero order reaction. वो experiment से मिला है, ठीक है? So directly looking at the reaction, you cannot find out the order. So this is obtained from the what? Experiment. So now decomposition of ammonia in presence of what? Platinum surfaces gives what? Nitrogen plus hydrogen. So zero order है, means what? Rate क्या होगा? Rate is equal to what? K into concentration of ammonia to the power 0. That is rate is equal to what? K. Anything to the power 0 means what? So K into 1 is equal to what? 1. So this is the example of what? Zero order reaction. ठीक है?